Hello guys and welcome to today's video. And well, this happened. Tropical Storm Andress formed as of 9 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, which is 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time and 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Maximum sustained winds right now is at 35 knots or 40 miles per hour. Minimal central pressure is at 1,005 millibars. It is located at 14.1 north, 107.9 west, and is moving northwest at 5 knots or 6 miles per hour. So, as you can see, we got our particulars here. We already read through this, and then public advisories here. Um, it's about 620 miles to the south-southeast of the southern tip of the Baja California. And for those that like to use compasses and stuff, it is moving at 325 degrees or to the northwest. The center of the tropical storm Andress was located near latitude 14.1 north, longitude 107.9 west. Andress is moving towards the northwest near 6 miles per hour, and this general motion is expected to continue through Monday. The cyclone is forecast to turn westward by late Tuesday and continue that general motion on Wednesday. Satellite data indicated that the maximum sustained winds have increased in the near 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. Little change in strength is forecast today and tonight. Gradual weakening is expected to begin on Monday, with the system becoming a remnant low on Tuesday. Now, here we go. We finally get to see this part right here. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 70 miles from the center. So that's for a fledgling newborn tropical storm. 70 miles is a pretty good distance. So that's interesting to see. Let's still take a look at the forecast discussion, and they pretty much keep it at 40 miles per hour the whole way through. I do predict, and I'm going to go out on a limb here and predict that 50 miles per hour is going to be the peak of this storm before it starts weakening. I don't know. I mean, this is the earliest named storm in the Eastern Pacific, so I'm thinking it might overachieve a little bit, not a whole lot, but a little bit. So 50 miles per hour is my peak, with dissipation happening in 120 hours or so. Here we go, looking at the sea surface temperatures for this system, and it's still got plenty of warm water here. We're at like 28s, 29 still, so that's still indicative of it wanting to grow with those kind of temperatures. Now, the NHC said that it only has today really to do anything. Tomorrow it will be going into wind shear, cooler sea surface temperatures, maybe some dry air and entrainment and all that good stuff to really weaken a storm. So that's why the NHC doesn't have this going on too much longer than 24 hours. Let's bring up another tab here. I should have had this up when I was starting to make this video. Do we have Ghost 16 up? Nope, it's still on a delay. That's sad. Okay, guidance models. Everybody has a tropical storm, obviously, because it's a tropical storm right now. Some people, some of these models have it going up to near 40 knots, which I think is 45 miles per hour. Let me double check that real quick. 40 knots, 2 miles per hour. Yeah, about 45 or 46 miles an hour. And they keep it there for at least 24. Most of them keep it there for 24 hours, and then it starts weakening like rapidly because of the dry air entrainment. Colder sea surface anomalies and dry air. Uh, Anyways, let's take a look at the GFS here, and we got two low pressure systems here. This is our main one right here, so we're gonna take a look at it here. And it's in 17 knots of shear, so this thing has some shear working against it here a little bit. 1,004, 24 hours is pretty much. It's still a tropical depression, but it's weakening. 48 hours, it's not really anything anymore. 72, and then 78 hours. We're gonna stop it here because it's pretty much an open wave at this point. it's pretty much done within 70 to 84 hours, give or take. All right, so here is the ECMWF, and as you can see, this is our little system. This is our system right here. This big circle, and 48, 72. So pretty much it has the same as the GFS. Not really much to show here. So at around the 72 to 80 like 4 hour mark probably, because this only goes at the 24-hour increments here. This is going to be turning into an open wave pretty much. An icon. Oh boy, the icon, man. The icon is the legend of this system. It picked it up 7 days before it even formed. So the icon is definitely going to be a model for me to watch out for during the Eastern Pacific hurricane season and the Atlantic hurricane season. As you can see here, it has a 108 millibar, tropical storm here. So let's push it out through time. 12 hours, 15 hours, 18, 24. Yeah, strengthening. That's a tropical storm right there. 48. It's looking elongated. This is probably not a tropical storm anymore. Probably a depression, a very elongated depression. And then it pretty much dies down after that. So yeah, we're not going to go too far out in these models because it's not going to really live that long. So yeah, that's an update on Andrews. A little bit later today, I'll probably have an update on Invest 96W too. So stay tuned for that. Also, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day. And if anything big changes with this, I might be back again with another video of Tropical Storm Andrews as we go about through time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.